everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we are working with ft.UNice on AliExpress. They sent me over this wig. It is a 7x5 closure wig. It is water wave. It's 22 inches. It's gorgeous. It came pre-plucked. The lace was already cut and the knots were bleached. Okay, so yes, it definitely came ready to go. As you can tell, this wig is speaking for itself, hunty. Look, it ain't stiff. I love it so much. It is just absolutely perfect for me. I hope you guys love it, and that's why you're here. But if you guys want to see me unbox this and install this, please continue to watch. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, y'all. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming over to my channel, and let's get into this review. All right, y'all. We're back. We're working with ft.UNice AliExpress today. Yes. If y'all didn't know, now you know. Don't forget to store your wig in this bag now, y'all. Don't y'all love the pink? I like it. I like it a lot. Y'all like my ring? I just opened this up from Ana Luisa. They got the cutest freaking rings. The cutest jewelry. All right, so when you open her up, she comes fully equipped. So we have some press-on nails, a melting band, and wig caps, of course. Wig. So today we are working with a 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig. This is 22 inches. I thought it was supposed to be 24 inches, but it's 22 inches. All right, so first you're gonna get some little sticky tabs. We don't have ear tabs today. Yeah, we don't have ear tabs today, but you can also use these to lay your wig. And these little sticky tapes actually work really, really well, okay? So here is our water wave hunties. The curls are looking good. The ends lead a little bit of water, but they're looking all right for now. This is a bye-bye knots wig, and the lace is pre-cut. It doesn't look like the knots are bleached. Or actually, yeah, they are. The knots are bleached. The lace is cut. It looks really, really nice. And honestly, it looks pre-plucked as well. So it definitely has those three things going on. And it's 7x5, so 7 inches left to right, and then 5 inches deep. So you've got a lot of parting space. Lots of parting space. Let me go ahead and turn my hot comb on while I'm talking to y'all real quick. So this is what the wig looks like inside. Look at all that parting. Look how deep that parting space is. It is so deep, y'all, so deep. And the left and right, the 7 inches from left to right, that's crazy. That is crazy. Adjustable elastic band, of course. We have some adjustable straps on the sides with the adjustable rim, which I like, with the grip strips. We've got a comb on the back. Nice and spacious. I love the little ridges. You don't have to worry about cutting the lace off. So let's go ahead and get into it. The curls are nice and soft. It's not tangling up whatsoever. Fingers are just going straight through it. Love that. I did just get a few strands of hair running my fingers through it, but that is usual, very usual. It's a lot of hair. Oh, also this wig is 150% density, just so you know. She looking good, whatever. We're gonna put some water and conditioner in her. We're gonna use some of this Eben spray. Before I do that, I'm gonna put some foundation on the lace, just so it could blend a little bit more. I'm gonna do that off camera real quick, and then I'll come back to show how I install this wig and show you guys me putting the conditioner and water in as well. I'll be back. Okay, so that was the back, you guys. Let's go ahead and take this edge wrap off. The lace looks really good. Some of my makeup came off right here and right here. So let's go ahead and put some more powder on. But other than that, the lace looks really, really good. It melted really nicely. Whatever technique or new technology they have for these wigs, it's just really nice. And I feel like they're just getting easier and easier for me to install, doing all the prep work for you, so you don't have to pluck. You don't gotta pluck your wig, you don't gotta cut the lace, you don't gotta dye the knots. Like, them doing all that for you ahead of time is just amazing. So I appreciate that so much. So much. All right. Okay, so now that the hair is fully dry, you guys, I put the water, conditioner, and a little bit of oil in it. Blow dried it. It is all dry now. You guys can see how fluffy and soft it is. I love this. This is the perfect amount of like fullness. It's not too full. Honestly, the length is perfect. It's not too long and like overwhelming. I didn't cut any like layers in around my face like I usually do. I just let it be and it looks so freaking good. And honestly, the Aunt Jackie's, if you guys don't like Aunt Jackie's, y'all need to start. I love it on my wigs and my natural hair and my daughter's natural hair. We all just eat it up. Eat it up. Look how nice this hair looks. It's just full of body. It's not stiff nowhere. The curls look so good. I love it. Again, I will have all the information to this wig in the description box, but it is from ft.UNice on AliExpress, okay? So make sure you guys go check it out. Also, thank you, ft.UNice, for sponsoring this video and sending over this gorgeous wig. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love that I don't have to worry about the ear tabs, and it just... look how nice it looks even without having the ear tabs. Like, I just feel like it's just so camouflaged and nice feeling. Really secure on my head. It looks really natural. The hairline looks so natural. I left it in the middle part, but as you guys saw, there's so much parting right here. So you could do an angled part, a deep side part, a side part. You could probably do a half up, half down. If you're one of those girlies, like, you can do a lot with this parting. And I left it natural with no baby hairs, but you can go ahead and, you know, baby hair it up if you want to. Anyway, thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.